review.
Hey YouTubers, this is Lester Jeffrey. How you doing? Welcome to my channel, Drones for Review. I will be reviewing drones from time to time, so I will spend my money so you won't have to spend yours. I will have a link at the bottom of the description to Amazon. I do get commission for each sale. This helps me to make these YouTube videos. Now let's get started. This is a drone for beginners, and from Beebeerun, and this is the K200C series, and it is hi-fi. This is a drone itself. It's a very good drone, and this on front is the camera at the bottom there. You get the hand controller, which is really just like the Xbox 360 controller. You also get a little screwdriver and a little bag of screws here. This is the UPS cable to charge up your drone. You get a manual that shows the operation of the drone, and you also get an operation manual, which is in English and Chinese. Okay, you also get some blade guards, 4 of them, or quite a few of them. Blade guards and some extra blades. Now I'm going to put the blade guards on the drone, and I'm going to sync the drone with the iPhone, so I'm able to take pictures from the drone and from my iPhone. Let me know what you think of this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Or you don't like it, just let me know what you think of it, what improvement I can make, and I will. Oh yeah, we'll have a link down at the bottom in the description, like I said, and this will help me to make better quality videos as time goes on, and yeah, and there will be a link there. So I will see you outside in a moment. All right. Okay, we're going to see how this works now. I don't have any Wi-Fi connection out here. So we're going to see what's what here. Yeah, it crashed. It crashed. Okay, well, let's see. Gonna try this again. As you can see, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Yes, I know I suck. Don't laugh, people. Don't laugh. This drone may be for beginners, but it may take a little time to get used to the controls. Oh, here I am over here. Well, it's still in one piece. It's still in one piece. So that's good. It's quite durable. It's quite durable. So, what did they say? Rome, what was it built in a day? Okay. Actually, this is quite fun. Although I'm crashing a lot, it's still a lot of fun here. Let's see. Man. Okay. I ain't giving up yet, people. I'm not gonna give up yet. And I know some of you probably laughing, saying he don't know what the heck he's doing. And you know, you're right. I don't know. But once you really start working with things, it is a lot of fun. I'm looking at my surroundings here, and it is a lot of fun. I mean, a great day. Nice day for this, you know. So, man. But you get this. Okay, I ran out of hardware space, hard drive space, so give me a thumbs up if you like it, or don't like it, let me know. And just let me know what you think of my video, good or bad. And I will have a link down there to my ebook, our free ebook. Just give me your email address and I'll send you my ebook. Alright, I will talk to you later.